focus namin lagi na kailangan merong intervention ng not only the local government unit, even the national. Ito yung precisely yung ginawa na okay, sabi ko kanina, 20 pesos. Subsidized ng government yung 13 pesos. Kasi 33 pesos yung bili nila sa farm gain sa mga farmers. So we are helping the farmers na ma-recoup yung mga losses nila. Kasi kung masyadong mababa because they're at the mercy of traders, middlemen, wala mangyayari sa agricultural sector natin. So palugi, may subsidy. Anyway, pera rin naman ng taong bayan yung gagastos pang subsidize. But these are only stopgap measures. Hindi pwedeng forever, ganyan ang gagawin ng government. So ang long-term solution is to really help the agriculture sector be productive, to be productive. Hindi yung asa na lang sa subsidy. There are laws that we passed already para to help the farmers. Unfortunately, yung implementation is one thing because nagsipin na naman yung corruption. It's like what I mentioned, procurement ng mga gamit na binibigay as farm inputs, substandard. O kaya madali masira or hindi rin function or as taken up kanina, hindi naman kailangan, di ba? Hindi responsive to sa needs ng mga farmers.
Senator, what is your reaction